Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. If you're a returning subscriber, love you. If you're still new,
You're most welcome to my channel.
don't forget to subscribe, okay, and hit the like button. So if you want to see how I made this week, keep
Watching.
So guys, first of all, I got this braiding hair in the shade 316, no 613. That's 613. And for me to begin with the ventilation, I have to cut it. Okay, let me zoom in so you see the color. So guys, this is lush braiding hair in the shade 613, like I already said. So I got the full pack, that's the double pack, and my intentions are to use it for first to do the box braid, which is the first work before the ventilation. Then the remnant of the braiding hair, I'll use it to ventilate the hair before braiding the knotless. Do you get what I'm saying? So I have to start with the box braid first. So guys, I'm done with the box braid. I basically used needle and thread to attach the braiding hair to my wig cap and then braid the braiding hair into a box braid, like make the braiding hair into a box braid. So there's this style I actually created. I didn't braid to the end point. I had to leave some braiding hair to create a style. So guys, remember that the main point of this video is to show you how to ventilate. So that is what I'm going to be showing you proper. So first of all, what I did was I had to outline where I'm going to be ventilating, and I do this with the aid of a chalk
and a tape. So I mark just 1 inch.
So guys, I already started ventilating and I do it section by section so that my work looks very neat. Use a tape to mark just 1 inch. I'm going to be showing you now how to do your own ventilation, especially if you're a beginner. This is going to help you because first of all, you want to make your work neat. That's the number one thing for me. I actually love neat work, okay?
So guys, for some reason I couldn't find a video of this particular hair, the video where I was ventilating this particular hair. So I'm going to attach a new video that I made. So when you want to start ventilating, the first thing you're going to be thinking about is the type of wig cap. If you want a full head lace, then you go for it. If you want the frontal lace, you go for it. 5x5 closure and the rest. So I have started ventilating this particular hair, and if you notice, the hair is actually a little bit scanty. This is how I achieve a natural look. I do not want, after I'm done with my work, the hair is so full and stacky. No, I don't like it that way. So I prefer it to be more natural. And by the way, I have to achieve that anyway, I have to do like a little more spacing. So guys, I ventilate a particular hole and then I leave 2 holes and then I ventilate the next hole. Some people just ventilate the first hole, leave 1 hole and ventilate the next hole. Do you get? So to start ventilating, you just put your needle into one of the holes, pick just 1 strand of hair, then you gradually pull it out of the hole. Do you get? So I'm going to try this again. I'm going to try to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Guys, I'm sorry, I used cinematic to film this particular video and that's why it's a little blurry. I've taken my corrections, so I'm not going to do that again. So you guys just bear with me. What I'm basically doing is putting the ventilating needle into one of the holes. Make sure you're following a straight line. It has to be straight. It has to be straight. I repeat, it has to be straight. So you put the ventilating needle. You make sure that the hair you're about to pull is in a good consistency. Then you pull out of the hole. Guys, if by any chance you notice that you did it in the wrong line, don't panic. It happens sometimes, we are not perfect, and maybe I don't know, but just simply pull out the hair. Simply just pull out the hair. and you'll be fine. You ventilate in the right line, okay? Okay guys, so this is basically what I have been doing, and this is what I'm going to continue doing till the holes that I need to ventilate are over or are done. So this is when I had finished the wig, and then I'm not perfect, in doing knotless. So all I did was just to secure each of the section that I already ventilated. So I had to hand in the wig to someone who was more professional in making knotless braid. So this person made the knotless for me, like finished up the work for me. So I'm going to be showing you guys like the finished aspect, like that wig I was wearing in the beginning of the video. So that's about it. If there is any other thing that you guys did not really understand, while you watched the video, you can just let me know in the comment section below. I could also like do a video to explain that part much better. So this is a video I made while I was trying to install the video, and this is what the wig actually looks like after it was finished. So I was installing it. This is the first time I'll be wearing the braid, so I was installing the hair. If you guys want me to do a video of installation, like frontal installation, you just beat me in the comment section below, and I'm here. Always see you guys. Look how gorgeous the wig turned out, and it was some party stuff, and I had to put it on, the blonde girl baby, the blonde girl vibes. So guys, this is the end of the video, and if you liked and enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Look at those baby hairs.